Hi guys, DeepSeek AI is everywhere. It's trending on Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, and some even says it's better than ChatGPT in many ways. But here is the thing. Do you really want your data stored on Chinese server? Of course not. So in this video, I will show you how to run DeepSeek model locally on your Android device. No internet, no cloud, just AI running on your phone. So let's dive right in. To run DeepSeek model locally, you will need to install Termux on your device. You can download it from Play Store directly or from their official GitHub repo. Let me quickly download and install it. Once it is installed, open it. Let me clear the console and run this command, Termux setup storage. This command allows Termux to read and write files on your device, which is crucial for running AI models. Once done, now run this command, package update and package upgrade. This command fetches the latest software updates and apply them automatically. Now that Termux is ready, it's time to install some essential tool. So run this command. This command will install Git, CMake, Golang or wget, which are needed to download, compile and run DeepSeek model on your Android device. Once you have set up Termux, it's time to get Ollama, a lightweight tool to manage AI models. Simply run this command to clone Ollama repository. Once the cloning is done, type cd Ollama. This will take you into Ollama folder, where we will compile it and get it ready to run for DeepSeek model. Now that you are in Ollama folder, it's time to build it. So run this command and it will generate necessary files and dependencies for Ollama. Once done, next we will build the Ollama binary. Just type this command and let it compile. So the compilation might take some time, depending on your device performance. Let me quickly show you the processor on this device. As you can see, this device is running on Snapdragon 845, which was launched back in 2017. Even with the older hardware, you can still run DeepSeek model, but keep in mind performance might vary depending on your device. And that we have got Ollama setup. It's time to download DeepSeek model. Guys, you need to run this command once you download the model. I already downloaded 1.5 billion parameter model. Now I am going to show you how you can download any model. So if your phone has less storage, I recommend going with the 1.5 billion parameter model. If you have more storage, go with the 8 billion parameter. So you can download any model you want. I will go with the 8 billion parameter for now. So the model is not downloading. Depending on your internet speed, it might take few minutes to complete. So wait for it. Alright, download is complete and the model is up and running. As you can see, it is responding and running smoothly. The speed is quite good for this device, even with the older Snapdragon 845. To clear the console, simply press Ctrl L. Now when you are ready to exit, simply press Ctrl D or you can type /byte to close the session. And that's it. You have successfully set up and run DeepSeek R1 model locally on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is Jarvis signing off.